Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are going to start unit 4. Its title is Helping Others. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. And before this in English for grade 4, I have already taught you about synonyms and antonyms. I hope you remember the concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to locate, provide, connect and use words similar and opposite in meaning. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Alam Nashra, verse 5. So surely with hardship comes ease. Yes, my dear children, you see this beautiful verse has a very strong message. And what that message is, with every hardship, there will be ease, inshallah. So whenever we are in a difficult situation, should we be upset? No, because Allah is saying, after this hardship, there will be ease. Innam al usri yusr. Right? So there will be ease, inshallah. So don't be upset. And if we are at ease, we should be ready for the hardship, because after ease, again hardship, again after hardship, it will be ease. So this is how the life is, my dear children. That's why with every hardship, we should learn a lesson and we should be connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah is saying after this hardship, there will be ease, inshallah, right? So one thing I want you to focus here is this word hardship and ease, they are opposite to each other. So what they are called in grammar? Do you remember? So tell me, what are antonyms and what are synonyms? So pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher, then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could connect it that synonyms are the words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. Okay? So they are called, if two words have same meaning, they are called synonyms. Mostly they can replace each other. This is how we use them. If we are writing something and there is one word which we find we need to replace it, we have already practiced it. Okay, so we can replace it with a better word, but that should be synonym, having the same or close meaning to that word, right? And its examples are, if we are talking about weather, we can say it's hot or it's warm, it's a warm day or it's a hot day. So these two words are synonym to each other because they have very close meaning. If we are describing this doll, we can say it's a pretty doll or it's a beautiful doll. So these two words, which has almost the same meaning, they are called synonym to each other, right? So what are antonyms? Antonyms are the words that have the opposite meaning. They are, in meaning, they are opposite to each other. So I just gave you example, hardship and ease, they are opposite in meaning. That's why they are antonyms. The other examples are day, and what is the antonym for this? Night, because they are opposite to each other, right? The other example is long and short. She has long hair, she has short hair. So these words long and short are antonym to each other, right? So let's practice it from your book. It's mentioned here, a word having same or identical meaning to another word is called a synonym. For example, the girl looks very beautiful and the girl looks very pretty. Now this word pretty and beautiful are synonym to each other, right? Difficult and hard, they have almost same meaning. Answer or reply, almost same, synonym to each other. Begin or start, synonym to each other. So these are the examples of synonyms, okay? Antonyms, a word having opposite meaning to another word is called an antonym. As example, the cat is beautiful and the cat is ugly. Now this word ugly and beautiful, they are opposite in meaning. That's why they are called antonyms, right? The other examples are early, late, opposite meaning, antonyms. Small, big or large, opposite meaning, antonyms. Loud, quiet, opposite meaning, antonyms to each other, right? These are the examples of antonyms. So are you clear with the concept? I'm going to take you through an activity. Are you ready for that? Okay. So here we go. Students are first paired. So teacher will make pairs of these students and they will be placed in a position such that they don't face each other. They cannot look at each other. A student will be given a picture and the other student will be given a plain paper and pencil. Okay, so one will be given a picture and the other will be given a plain paper and a pencil. The student with picture has to describe what is in the picture without actually telling what it is. You will not tell it, you will just describe it. The other student has to bring in some creativity and imagination to draw a picture according to his description. So it's going to be very funny. Let's see. How do you describe things? Then one student will tell synonyms and the other antonyms for the describing words, right? So if both complete tasks successfully, they will get points accordingly and winner of maximum points will win the game, right? So this is what the activity is all about. Are you ready for that? Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, did you have fun with this activity? That's wonderful. Okay, so let's practice it from your book. Here is a list of words. What you are going to do, you will write the synonyms and antonyms of the following words. Okay, so in this column you will write synonym for this word and in this column you will write antonym for this word, right? So pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 words with their synonyms and antonyms. This is your homework and I have excessive practicing worksheets. There are 3 worksheets with this lecture. My dear fellow teachers, these worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what we are going to do, here all the words are given. You just have to join the words with their synonyms and antonyms. Over here, you will fill in the blanks by using the synonyms for the underlined words and for over here in this practice, words are given and you have to write their synonyms and antonyms. So in this way, you will practice all these worksheets. So what we have learned today, we learned to locate, provide, connect and use words which are similar and opposite in meaning. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to locate, provide, connect and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.